Hello, this is Zach from U-xer. We have one question that I would like to answer in the community channel. Here it says how to add an attachment in Gmail. He mentioned that he tried to use a couple of shortcuts to open the dialog box to select the file, and then also try to click buttons and keys enter, and it says it end up opening the file rather than attaching it. And also here he mentions that the examples we are sending for emails to fails as they don't wait for the pop-up. Okay, so as far as I understand, let me rephrase what I understand. So I will just first of all open Chrome here, some Gmail account. After I click compose button, it says like this pop-up does not appear. So probably you mean that you wait for some text to be visible until you type something. That makes sense. Maybe there's some like sometimes it can take time to open this pop-up. This is a valid case. And then what you want to do is attach file. Click this icon, or you mentioned that you use some shortcuts to do that. It's also possible. And then you will choose something here, and then can hit enter, right? Hit enter also works in my computer right now. Also, I can just like after this clicking this, I will click this. Also, I will try to click open here, but this is also possible. So how to do that? Let's remove them. I have a couple of Gmail accounts. I think this is the one which I want to open just to be sure. Yes, this is the one. Okay, I'm closing this. So open browser, Chrome, Google. Okay, just like let's run the step. Okay, not in incognito modes. I will just turn off incognito because I want to use my own browser. Run this. Okay, then we'll click compose. Then let's wait for new message here. Okay. Click text compose, and then I want to wait for the text as you suggest is visible. You can wait. I just like want to wait text. I will use is visible. New what was this new message? Okay. Let's see how it works. It opens on the back because I just did not highlight it. It can happen time to time. Clicks compose and then waits for new message. So another question here which you ask is how to debug this if it works. There are a couple of ways to debug. In the meantime, I will share you. For example, it all says click completed success. So let's see what happens here. If I go to details here, we are gonna see screenshot. First is the initial screenshot, and the second one is the processed screenshot. So the thing which we did here is click text, right? Click text compose. So when you open this, you are gonna see that it's highlighted here. It's possible. Let me open this in image. So yes, this means that the compose here on the screen is the place where it's clicked. So same thing for the another one. For example, let's say is visible new message. Let's see it says success, but let's see what's user found. It just like finds here. So this is the one which we were expecting. So that's correct. And also there are a couple of ways which I will share how you can verify things right now. Let's take a screenshot 5 seconds later. I will come back here. It will take a screenshot. And then I'm coming back here. Right now also I can just click this verify location button and it will show where it's supposed to click on that screen. Also when I click this, it also shows where it's supposed to click. And now what we want to do is like clicking this attachment icon. I don't know if there is any shortcut for this. Gmail shortcut open attachment screen. I just like say window. Doesn't say here. Maybe here. Not here. So I don't know the shortcut for this. If let me go also the web page, maybe there is something highlighted. No. Okay, so what we are going to do actually here, we will use image parameter here. So I will just say cut here. I will zoom to this icon here. This guy here, I will zoom. I will just choose that. Say attachment icon. Be sure that like don't leave any space here. Says, and then my next is click attachment icon. Save. So I just want to test this before moving forward. I will put this here. Let's put it here. Click attachment icon if it works at all. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see here. No. See, actually, let's try to do like this. Verify location. Yeah, it find it here. I will just like run all. Let me close those guys. Create, open another window, but that's fine. And then it clicked. So everything is working fine. I will just make this full screen. So next time it will open also in the full screen. Okay, attachment is done, right? So the next step is, let's go actually, I will run one more time. Check that new message available on the screen. And then also click the attachment icon. Okay, I will just like, this name is a little bit too silly. I will just like say sample PNG. What I will do is I can just click this click this image saying that sample PNG, or when the pop-up opens, I can just make sure that it's open, or I can direct type the name here. What to do? Let's try to just make sure the pop-up is open, and then I will type my path here. Let's do that way. So I want to say file name. I want to make sure that this is open. I will say is visible text file name. Okay. And then I will write my file name, which was sample PNG. And then let's take a screenshot again. Let's say 5 seconds because I want to see how we see the screen. So I want to click this open then. Actually, I can say like click open button, or I can say click text open, or I can say hit enter. I just like want to be sure that, let's say here, for example, I just check here, it says like button here. You know, sometimes computer vision may not be able to find the buttons exactly. So now it finds it in my case. So I can say click button open, save. Then right click open save, and that's basically, let's try to run this. Okay. Oh, it opened again half page because I closed it, but that's okay. Something wrong happened here, but it opened. Maybe click somewhere else. Let's see what happened. This is right now what we need to do. It's just like to debug what happened. I will cancel execution and I will say, I will just like check here what happened. Definitely click something different. Okay, it actually clicked here. I see it. This is not the right place. So it means that we need to a little bit like improve our attachment icon, or just like it's because it's open on small screen. This is also possible. Half of the attachments button was not on the screen. So let's try to run with the full screen again. I will just open Chrome to be sure that it opens in full screen. Okay. Then run all steps. Okay, click the right place and then wait for file name to be visible. It's there, and then click open. Then it's here. Okay. Let's run one more time to be sure if we have a stable attachment. Adding scenario to Gmail. And that's it. Okay, I think in this video we answered a couple of your questions. We added attachment, and also you had some problems how to debug this. So also I hope that it will help you to understand how you can debug the situation and scenario rather than like running it all the time. I use verify location button pretty often, or I also can just like run single steps each time. And also reporting is super important to understand what's happening in reality. Thank you.